think it's a new build. If I'm not under the staging area. Get her fired up. Hope so. Coming to the staging area. There's the Chevy coming to the staging area as well. Nice shot. Another mega. Trucks down to my left. I said on the stage over here to my right. That'd be a nice show today. Down there. Well, we got some return trucks here. Metal Michelle, GMC. We got Ray Myers and his prize Ford short bed, which I really like. I'm a short bed freak. Elk County mud buggies. East End Auto, sponsor, I guess. Undertaker Racing. Nice Chevy Mega, square body. And we've got the Swamp Monster. Elk County. Bell County Group as well. Chevy here. I'll add color to the bog anyway, right? Yeah. Misbehaving. Other return truck. Huge. Mega Chevy. Oh yeah, I remember this truck. The Hammer. That is a huge Ford. Nice. Load up on it. Check things out. Checking things out under the hood there. That is one cool old school Mega for sure. It's kind of cool how he gets up and into the engine bay. Yeah, that's big. That's one big Mega.
Alright, green magnet, stop participation.
Huh. Yeah. I guess this guy is a mean mutter. What was his truck? Hurting feelings. Let's see how mean it is. Joey's Ford. Belenda's Chevy. Aha. So that's how it's done. Patsy. Alright. So you're going to put the pedal to the metal today?
Gonna try.
Alright.
You, darling.
And George's cool old school Ford. And this one here is old square body Mega. Mudding on a budget. Oh, this looks like something new. Boy, I'm looking forward to see that thing rip. Yeah, it's good to see some trucks here that are similar to Megas, but you know, they got the DOT bogger tires on, and some of them will really rip and tear up the bog here. The Chevy Autism truck. It's not for wimps. This Jeep looks like it's already been initiated in the mud. And we have Murder Dream. That's Hunters. And I'm not sure if this is a new one or not. I don't recall ever seeing this truck before. It's always good to see some new equipment. These box, Ralph Rizzo's old school Chevy. Coming soon. Wonder what's coming soon. maybe a spectacular show, hopefully. One cool 80s mega, 80s style mega. I don't know if I ever seen that one before or not. Possibly, because some of these guys, they'll make changes, you know, that will make them unrecognizable. I mean, you can change color, you can go from 2.5 tons to 5 tons, and lift them more, and different tires, and you can change the whole look of the truck itself. And here we have Nick's. I think his name is Nick. He's from New York. Old school Chevy diesel. I videoed him several times at Wolf Springs Off-Road Park in northern PA. Puts on a good show. That Chevy, old school Chevy diesel. Nice truck. Diesel power there. There it comes out. Here we got another truck just came in. I don't think I've ever videoed that before either. Wayland. That's a cool old school Chevy. It's pulled in just in the nick of time before the bog starts here. Yeah, this is a cool truck. Got cut boggers on it. What rears do you have underneath here?
What's that?
What rears do you have in the front and the back? Dana 44 in the front? Oh, you can see those are cut boggers. No doubt. Some of these trucks really run cool. Oh. Hey, just a quick shot of the grounds here. Folks. Vehicles, canopies. Definitely a canopy type day. It's warm, but there's a nice slight breeze going. Here we go. Action ready.